Hey guys, so I'm going to show you the restrictions that you need to set up in settings so that way your kids are not doing kind of whatever they want to do on the iPad. So when you go to settings and you go into general, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down until you see restrictions. So, all right, now because my iPad has been updated to the newest iOS, which is the 12.1.4, it's added the screen time feature, which the restrictions moves into that screen time feature. So if you do not see restrictions in this general setting right here, then you want to click on screen time, turn on screen time, and then continue. Say, this is my iPad. And then you want to go to content and privacy restrictions. And then you want to turn those on. Okay. So when you turn them on, then you can go in here and you can put on to where you account changes, don't allow, passcode changes, don't allow, like all these different things. You can even put a volume limit on there. Where it has advertising, you can say don't allow, media, Apple Music, don't allow. I mean, all these things you can change to make it to where, like content restrictions, right now it has music, podcasts, and news as explicit, and you can turn it to clean. You can turn on and allow or don't allow changes to different apps. So when you go back a screen, and you get to this setting right here, there is a use screen time passcode, and that means that the kids can't go in there and change that. So right here, the screen time passcode, you want to put in your school number. So 0 and then the school number, type it in there. So now when the kids go in there, they can't, if they click on that at any time, they won't be able to share that, or change that. Okay, so make sure that you have gone in there and kind of restricted some of those things so that the websites and all that, you won't have random stuff popping up. Now we do have district filters on there, but as you know, sometimes those don't catch everything. So this is just another buffer for you to set up. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.